Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a sound issue after update iOS 17. So guys, if you're using iPhone and when you have update your iPhone to latest version iOS 17 and facing the issue that sounds are not working properly, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you need to open your settings here, click on sound and haptics, and guys you need to increase this all the volumes, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, and guys you need to click on haptics. You need to check this always play, and guys you need to go back, and guys log sound if turned on, then guys you need to make it off, and guys you need to go back. Secondly, you need to open your settings again, click on general, and guys you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset all settings. And guys after doing this, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, that is iOS 17.1.1. So guys, when you click on software update, so guys I have facing this issue because of internet connection. So guys, first of all you need to connect any Wi-Fi, and guys after this you will be able to check your new update here. And guys after doing new update, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to speak or play any sound on your iPhone without any problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.